Hey everybody, welcome back to Outdoor Adventures with Doc. And I got some mail today. I'm excited, and let's see what I got. This is the OneTigris Tegimen, I don't know if I'm saying that right or not. So we got the cool guy OneTigris logo here. Stakes, I'm assuming. The guy lines that go with it. These are going to go over the pipe opening. The pipes will go through these. These will protect the tent from getting burnt from the pipes. By the way, there's no instructions with this tent, so I'm kind of winging it and figuring it out as we go. So far, I'm pretty damn impressed with this thing. Leave some comments below for me, guys. Let me know what you think. Anyway, see you later.